Took my despair and put joy in its place. Oh Lord, most holy Lord, thank you for your healing grace. Oh Lord, holy Lord, who took my despair and put joy in its place. Oh Lord, most holy Lord, thank you for your healing grace. Your grace is changing my life so
May, mabulang ako ha kay naway kauban nga gusto kong istorya. It's not that far na atong outdone, but I think kahit nga nalagpasan nato ang mga pagsulay. Above all, akong kasalamatan na Ginoo for giving plans pinakini mo. Pinakapalangga nga baby ni Daddy. And I thank you for that. Di na ako taas una kay may bata din nga sige panguhid. Gusto ko siya may istorya ni mo. I love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. Sige na, ikaw na anak.
Oh Lord, most holy Lord, thank you for your...
Hello, Mami. This is Kokos. Thank you for your courage in bringing me this world with Dad. This Mother's Day, I want them to know that I'm proud to be a son of a mother like you. Man, I can't even change my own diaper, but you change it for me. The milk that you make is so tasty, although I know I get them for free. And Mom, sorry for those sleepless nights you had when all I do is to wake you up, but I don't mean it. I just love to be carried by your loving arms. Do you think it's over? More years, Mom. Well, I just learned to speak some words this week, and I think that's it for now. Sip-sip na gani ko, Mami, kay kumaya pag-practice o kuha ng istorya. Di nila ko taman mi ha, kay manuno siya ko, madrink siya ko og milk. I love you, Mami. Happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.
Oh Lord, most holy Lord, thank you for your healing grace. Oh Lord, holy Lord, who took my despair and put joy in its place. Oh Lord, most holy Lord, thank you for your healing grace. Your grace is changing my life in so many ways. When I thought my life was over, you were waiting there for me.
Hello, Ma. Happy Mother's Day. Okay lang mi diri sa balay. First of all, gusto day ko mag-thank you jud kay God kay gihatagan jud mi ang mama na pareha sa imuha. Lahi jud ka sa tanan, Mama, kung ikaw gipalangga jud nimo mi. Hantod sa nagdako mi. Amit jud nimo among needs. Fortunate gani kayo mi. Ang uban parents dili sila ingana sa ilang anak, pero kami gihatagan jud mi pagtagad. Thank you jud kayo sa tanan-tanan. Namit jud nimo ang among mga needs, pati pud sa among learning sa uban nga skills, especially sa music. Handjud ko natun-an sa imuha. Thanks po sa mga advice, ka-help jud to sa amo samtang nagagrow me. Thanks for sharing sa imong mga stories, chika-chika ta. Ganahan jud ko maminaw og mga stories. And then thank you po kaayo kay gina-share po nimo sa amo nga daghan jud kayo ko pangarap na sa life. Isa sa akong mga pangarap mapalipay ta ka si Papa pod. Salamat kaayo na jud ka always say sa mo even though layo good ka, layo mo ni Papa, pero it seems na magduol lang mo sa mo ako duol jud kayo mo sa among heart. And then thank you po kayo sa mga tawag sa tanan-tanan. And then wish you good health, happiness, and satisfaction. Happy Mother's Day from the bottom of our hearts. We love you so much, Ma. From Ate Minmin, Kit Kit, Tonton, and Baby Sheldon. Once again, Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you for your healing grace. Your grace is changing my life in so many ways. When I thought my life was over, you were waiting there for me. I can see that there are good things only suffering can bring. Oh Lord, Holy Lord, who took my despair and put joy in its place. Oh Lord, most holy Lord,
hi Mom, it's Jane
And it's me.
we would like to greet you Happy Mother's Day. I hope you'll be surprised. We love you and I'm glad to be part of the family now. And say something, baby.
I'm glad that you accepted Jing, and I'm glad she's going to be part of our family and that you guys love her. So happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, and you're the best, so I look forward to be there, spend more time with you, and maybe you can teach me some steps how to be a good mom like you are. So, alright, we love you and happy Mother's Day.
Bye, Mom.
Now I can see that there are good things only suffering